Hi students, welcome to Sahasra Academy. Nenu my physics sir. Today we are going to discuss about the topic method of principle of mixtures. This is an important concept in 10th class physics. Okay. Now we will see principle of method of mixtures. Principle of method of mixtures. Okay. For example, here I will explain you three situations. In one situation, there is a beaker. In that it contains 100 ml of water, and its temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. And in another beaker, also it contains 100 ml. Otherwise take 200 ml of water, and here also take 200 ml of water, and the temperature of water is 90 degrees Celsius. Suppose if you mix this water in a big beaker, then here mixture will be formed. Then what is the temperature of mixture? The temperature of mixture is average of these two, that means 90 degrees Celsius. How we will get average? 90 plus 90 by 2, that is equal to 180 by 2. If we cancel, we will get 90 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here the temperature of mixture is 90 degrees Celsius. Why we are taking average? Here masses or volumes are equal. So generally we can call these as volumes because we are measuring in ml. So here volumes are equal, then we have to take the temperature of mixture as average. This is situation 1. In the second situation, we have another concept. For example, here take 200 ml of water, and here temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. And in the second case also take 200 ml of water, and the temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Mix these in another beaker, then you will get a mixture. Then the temperature of mixture will be average because here also volumes are equal. Then take average as the mixture temperature. 90 plus 60 by 2, that is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 75 degrees Celsius. So here the mixture temperature is 75 degrees Celsius. Okay. So for these two situations, no problem. But we have another situation, that is third situation. There is a problem in finding the temperature of the mixture. We will see the third situation. Now see here, this is third situation. So here volume of water is 200 ml and temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. And here the volume of water, 100 ml of water we have to take, and here temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. Here volumes are different. And temperatures also different. We should not take the average here. In the two cases volumes are equal, that is why we have taken average as the mixture temperature. But in the third situation, volumes are different. We should not take mixture temperature as average. For this one, we have to use a new formula, or we have to derive a formula. That formula is nothing but the principle of method of mixtures. Now we will see how to derive formula for method of mixtures. Here onwards very important for 10th class students. Carefully follow. Okay, let us consider two beakers of masses M1 and M2. So here in beaker 1 it should contain water of mass M1, and in beaker 2 also it should contain water of mass M2. But in the example here we have taken 200 ml, and here we have to take 100 ml. That means masses are different. Let T be the temperature of first beaker T1 and T2 be the temperature of second beaker. So here T1 is higher temperature and T2 is a lower temperature. If you mix these two waters in another beaker, then you will get a mixture. Then the temperature of mixture will be capital T. Temperature of mixture will be capital T. Here that capital T value we have to find out. Now once again be careful. The mass of first beaker is M1 and the temperature of water in the first beaker is T1. That means it is higher temperature. And in the second beaker, mass of water is M2 and its temperature is 22 degree Celsius. So T2 is the lower temperature and T1 is the higher temperature. Like that we have to take. Now mix these two waters in another beaker, then it will form a mixture. Now we have to find out the temperature of the mixture. Okay. So here M1 is hotter body and M2 beaker is a colder body. M1 is hotter body and M2 beaker is a colder body. So just one example. For example, here I told you hotter body, higher temperature. For example, it is at 90 degrees Celsius. And this one is for example, in order to understand this one, I will tell you one example. Suppose if we want to bath, what we will do? We will boil the water. After boiling the water, we will mix the boiling water with the tap water. Of course, tap water will not be at 0 degrees Celsius. It will be at 20 degrees Celsius. And here also the boiled water temperature may be 80 degrees Celsius like that. Okay. In order to bath, we will not use directly tap water which is at 20 degrees Celsius and we will not use boiled water which is at 80 degrees Celsius. What we will do before bathing in the washroom, what we will do, we will mix these two beakers water. We will mix boiled water with the tap water, then mixture will be formed. Mixture will be formed. Then here in the bucket water, it contains new temperature. The bucket of water will not contains 80 degrees Celsius as well as 20 degrees Celsius. It will contains a medium temperature. For example, take average. 80 plus 20, 100. 100 by 2 means 50 degrees Celsius. Think, this is example only. If you add the boiled water to the tap water, then the mixture temperature will be 50 degrees Celsius in the bath. So with this water we can bath. We can use to take our bath. So if you observe this example, here hotter body or boiled water, before mixing its temperature is 80 degrees Celsius, after mixing its temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. That means here hotter body which is having T1 degrees Celsius, hotter body is losing temperature. How much it losing? Initially it has 80, after bathing it has 50. Then totally how much it lost? 30 degrees it lost. So from this example we have cleared that hotter body lost temperature when it mixes. Hotter body lost its heat energy in the mixture. So I can write like this: heat lost by hotter body. Heat lost by hotter body, Q1 is equal to, so by using this formula, what is that formula? Q is equal to ms delta T. By using this one I can write that. So here M means what? Mass. Mass of hotter body. What is the mass of hotter body? M1. Here S means specific heat. Directly I am writing S. Next, change in temperature. How can we get change in temperature? Here this is the change in temperature. So 80 degrees Celsius. What is 80 degrees Celsius? This is the temperature of hotter body. That means T1 minus. And here what is this 50? Temperature of mixture. So the change in temperature we will get by subtracting the temperature of mixture from temperature of hotter body. That means the change in temperature will be T1 minus T. T1 is the hotter body temperature and T is the mixture temperature. So here also delta T I can write T1 minus T. This is the change in temperature. Okay. So once again see, heat lost by hotter body Q1 is equal to, I am writing that one by using Q is equal to ms delta T. So here m means mass. Mass of hotter body is m1. So I have written here, and the specific heat of water is S only. So I write S. And change in temperature. How can we get change in temperature? 80 minus 50, that is equal to 30. So what is 80? Hotter body temperature. What is 50? Mixture temperature. So T1 minus T is equal to change in temperature. So here change in temperature will be T1 minus T. T1 is the hotter body temperature and T is the mixture temperature. So this is the amount of heat lost by hotter body. Now we will see about colder body. See, before mixing, colder body temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the mixture temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. So if you observe, before mixing, the colder body has 20 degrees Celsius. After mixing, it got 50. That means what? Colder body gain heat energy, whereas hotter body lost heat energy and the colder body gain heat energy. How much colder body gain? Here initially it has 30 and mixture temperature is 50. Then 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So that means what? Here heat gain by colder body is 30 and heat lost by hotter body also 30 only. So from this we can say that heat lost by hotter body is equal to heat gain by colder body. Heat lost by hotter body is equal to heat gain by colder body. That is very important principle. So what is the principle of method of mixtures? The principle of method of mixtures is heat lost by hotter body is equal to heat gain by colder body. Now see, heat lost by hotter body is 30 degrees and heat gain by colder body also 30 degrees. Now I am writing the step. Heat gain by colder body. Heat gain by colder body Q2 is equal to, again I am using this formula, Q is equal to ms delta T. M means what? Mass. Mass of colder body. What is mass of colder body? M2 into S means specific heat only, directly write specific heat. Then here change in temperature. What is change in temperature of colder body? 30. So what is 50? Mixture temperature. T minus what is 20? Colder body temperature. T2. So we can get change in temperature by subtracting colder body temperature from mixture temperature. So the change in temperature is T minus T2. Then write here T minus T2 is the change in temperature. So heat lost by hotter body is Q1 is equal to M1S T minus T1 minus T, and the heat gain by colder body Q2 is equal to M2 into S T minus T2. So already I told you what is method of principle of method of mixtures. Heat lost by hotter body is equal to heat gain by colder body. Heat lost by hotter body is equal to heat gain by colder body. That means Q1 is equal to Q2. Q1 is equal to Q2. If you want, you can note down this one. Okay. Next, what is Q1? M1 S into T1 minus T, that is equal to what is Q2? M2 into S T minus T2. Now S cancel. Now multiply M1 into T1, M1 T1. Here minus is there, minus. m1 into capital T, m1t, that is equal to, again here auto multiplication, m2 into capital T, m2 minus, here minus is there, m2 into t2, m2 t2. Now here m1, sorry, next send this minus term to that side and this minus term to this side. Now I am writing m1 t1. If you bring to this side, then it will becomes plus. m1 here, m1 no, t1 no. If it comes this side, it will be plus. m2 t2 is equal to, here already this value is there, m2 capital T. If you send this term to that side, then here also it will becomes plus. m1 no, capital T. No change this one, write as it is m1 t1 plus m2 t2 is equal to, here capital T is common, take capital T as common, then here m2 will be remains and here m1 will be remains. I want to find out capital T because I told you what is the temperature of mixtures. The temperature of mixtures is capital T. Now I want to find out the temperature of mixtures, that means capital T. Then send this term to this side, then it will becomes divide. Now see, m1 t1 plus m2 t2 divided by m2 plus m1. This is the formula to find temperature of mixtures. So no problem, here we can write m1 plus m2 or m2 plus m1. So this is the derivation, very important. So what is the formula to find mixture temperature? m1 t1 plus m2 t2 by m2 plus m1. Okay, so very important formula.